guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am sharing the brand new Trinity Stamps release. It's the Sweet Shop release and it's super cute. I'm going to start with this one here because it is a Sweet Shop and it is so cute. This one's called the Cozy Bear Candy Shop. While supplies last, I'm going to add this to a $60 order as long as you have a Trinity Stamps item in your order. So these are the Trinity Stamps. Funfetti Love, so they're cute little hearts. This cute stamp here is called Cozy Bear Candy Shop, and it is super cute. I love that cute little bear. He's got his hand out so you can have him holding one of the candies, and then this little bear could be taking it from him, so you could put candies in their hands. That is so cute. And then there's a sign. There's the little stand with the cash register. You can have him standing behind there. There's little jars you can put up there. And there's sentiments. You're the sweetest. You make life sweet. And for my sweetheart. So there is a coordinating die that you can pick up. And it does cut out the sentiments as well. There is also a shelf on here that you can add the jars and candy. So that's really cute. The other sweet little stamp they have is the Bonbon Box. We have the sentiment, Happy Valentine's Day. You could decorate the tops of your bonbons with inks. So that's super fun. There is a die to cut out the outline. We have a Simply Sentimental Love stamp set. So we've got these nice big love fonts, and then we've got the little sentiments that go underneath it or right through it. Those are really cool. You can stamp those out with white embossing powder on black cardstock. That always looks classy. We've got all these sentiments that you can mix and match. I see Love You a Latte in there, sprinkled with love. You to the moon and back. So there's lots of nice sentiments in here. And then this is the Sentimental Love coordinating die set. So it looks like you can use this die set, some of these without the stamp, so you can use them with both, which is really nice. I like that it cuts out this cursive love. We've got a paper pad. Goes great with the love theme. We've got this really nice die. This is the 4-bar card and envelope builder. And then you get these bonus words in here. Looks like there's a hugs. I see an XO, XO. I heart you can do. So it also comes with the dies to create the envelope. And then also these dies here to decorate it with. We've got this nice heart swirl, so it's great for the slimline cards. You can cut it down and use it on your smaller cards as well. We've got the Porta Hello stamp and die set. So this is really cute. I love mushrooms. This looks really fun to color. And then we've got the sentiments. I have so much room in my heart for you. I love you more and more each day. Porta Hello. And then we've got shiitake, I think that says, happens. I think that's a type of mushroom. Thanks so much. This is a really cute little goat set. I Goat You Babe, it's called. We've got that cute little, looks like a male and a female goat. And then we've got some socks and some fence posts that you can build a fence with. We've got some clothing. My heart bleeds for you. I goat you, babe. I choose you. You've got mail, but it's you've goat mail. You've goat this. We make a great pair. So there's a die for that one. And then there's three 3x4 stamp sets here. We've got this really cute mushroom one, and that one is called Here's For You. So you get 2 little mushrooms, and then we've got I'm Here's For You, Love You So Much, and Oh Shiitake. And then we've got the Hugs and Kisses stamp set. So nice size, you can color that in. And then we've got the Sensational stamp set. So you can also color that one in. Really nice. So I will have the link down below to the Trinity stamps release section in my shop. Thanks for popping on over, guys, and taking a look. They have a great release, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.